Hey guys, what's up? How's everyone doing? So guys, today I'm going to be showing you a really simple tutorial on how to back up all your WordPress files manually, actually, and very simply. So this is a quick block that we've got here, and we're gonna back it up. So in order to back it up, we're gonna have to go into the back end and back it up. Before I go and show you in more details on that, just want to show you guys that I have been a web developer over 12 years, and I've got, I've made websites grow, and I've got loads of free tutorials on my channel. So you don't have to pay anything, they're all free. So I suggest you guys go and check them out. This is some of my analytics. This is the latest one on here that you guys can see. And obviously my job here is to show you and teach you guys web development online, how to grow your blog, as well as e-commerce and marketing. A lot of cool free strategies that I'm going to be showcasing. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and make sure you smash that subscribe so you don't miss out any cool free tutorials. Apart from that, let's jump straight into this. So we've got this website and we're going to be creating a backup. Now, in order to create this backup, we're going to have to go into the cPanel. Now, if you go into your cPanel, you will see something called the File Manager. Once you guys head over to this File Manager, you will be able to see all your website files. This is all like the back-end stuff that make the website work. And I'm just going to hide the camera for a second so you guys can actually see the screen. Basically what you need to do on here is you need to click onto your main folder, which is up here, the main home folder. And on the side, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for a folder on here which is called public HTML, just like that. And this is where all the main website files are for our website. So you got like the WordPress config and everything else on here. And basically what you need to do is go back one. So you can even click on this up one level, or just click on back. And what you need to do is go down to this public folder, okay, and right click on it, and you're going to click on compress on here. And this is going to ask you how do you want to compress it, and you're just going to compress it as a zip folder and change the location to public, so it'll be on here, and then click on compress files. And what this is going to do is just going to compress that whole folder on a server and save it straight here on the actual server. Now this might take a while, but simple as that. Backing up your website files is simple as that, using the actual file manager here on your web hosting. Now, if you haven't got File Manager, I suggest you guys speak to the actual owners of your website and try to ask them if they can navigate you where you can get the access to the backend. Usually, most shared serving or virtual private hosting or cloud hosting will provide access to cPanel, which will provide access to the actual File Manager feature. Now, File Manager is just a plugin on the cPanel, and obviously, depending on what kind of hosting you have, 99% of shared hosting online where you're starting off with blogs, where you just pay something around between $2 and $20, $5 and $20 a month, will have this feature. Now, you can see it's creating this archive on here. We can even go in here and refresh this page. It will still create it in the background, and you will, if you scroll down, you will see a folder on here called public HTML. Let's try to locate this folder. Right, so still not on here. It's still creating it. Let's try to reload it. There it is. Public HTML 2.24 gigabytes. And that happened in an instant as I'm talking. Now, if you refresh this page, it might get bigger, which means it's still zipping your actual website. So let's try to reload that. So 2.24 gigabytes. And it's still on 2.24 gigabytes, which means it finished at 259, and right now it's free. So literally, if you're compressing it on the actual server, it will happen like that instead of downloading it. And now you can actually click on this folder, okay, and you can actually download it to your computer right there, straight from the server. And you see, very quick. This is much faster than actually going through FTP process and going straight through the file manager. Simple as that. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is probably the best way to back up your website. Now I'm going to show you in the next tutorial how to actually save, backup and extract your SQL database from your WordPress, which is actually linked to your actual website. So apart from that, if you like that, again, make sure you smash that like, make sure you subscribe. Got more tutorials. Apart from that, peace out, stay safe, ciao.